What's up guys, this is Jomar and welcome to Tutorial by Jomar. What's up guys, this video is the part 2 of our series about solving integers. So kung di nyo pa napapanood ng ating part 1 about addition and part 2 naman about sa subtraction of integers, i-click nyo lang ang I button or hanapin nyo lang sa description below. And for this video, ang gagawin naman natin is mag-multiply tayo ng integers. So let's start. So anong gagawin natin pag same sign ang i-multiply natin? Say for example, we have positive 6 times positive 3. So ang gagawin natin is i-multiply natin ang kanilang absolute value. Ang absolute value is the value ng number regardless ng sign na meron siya. Say for example, we have positive 6, so i-disregard natin yung positive sign niya. And we have here positive 3, i-disregard natin yung positive sign niya. So, ang gagawin lang natin is 6 times 3, we have 18. Then, rule number 2 natin is kapag same sign tayo sa multiplication of integers, ang gagawin natin is mag-add tayo ng positive sign sa answer natin. Again, kapag same sign, ang rule number 1 natin is i-multiply natin yung absolute value nila. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng positive sign. Or, ang magiging sign ng answer natin is positive. Next example, we have negative 6 times negative 3. So, rule number 1, ang gagawin natin is i-multiply natin ang absolute value nila. So, we have natin muna is i-disregard natin yung sign nila. I-disregard muna natin yung negative, i-disregard muna natin yung negative. So, we have 6 times 3 is 18. Tapos, sa rule number 2 natin, kapag same sign, ang magiging sign ng answer natin is positive. So, negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. Okay? Sana nagets nyo yan. Let's proceed sa different sign. Paano naman kapag magkaiba ang sign? Say for example, we have positive 6 times negative 3. So, rule number 1 natin, ganun pa din. I-multiply natin yung absolute value nila. We have 6 times 3 is 18. Kaiba yung sign, we have positive and negative. Ang gagawin natin is maglalagay tayo ng negative sign sa answer natin. Always remember na sa multiplication of integers, kapag same sign, positive, positive, yung given natin, ang answer dyan is a positive number. Kapag naman negative, negative, ang answer pa din is a positive number. Kapag magkaiba yung sign, positive and negative, ang answer is magiging negative. Then, negative and positive, ang magiging answer natin is negative. Okay, next example, we have negative 6 times positive 3. Ganun pa din, as the rules implies, i-multiply pa rin natin yung absolute value nila. We have 6 times 3 is 18. And then, since magkaiba sila ng sign, ang gagawin natin, maglalagay tayo ng negative sign sa 18. So, answer natin is negative 18. Hopefully, nag-gets nyo itong part na to. So, for your further knowledge, let's solve this problem. Okay, let's proceed to number 1. We have 8 times negative 7 since magkaiba sila ng sign. We have positive 8 here times negative 7. So, alam natin na kapag different sign, ang magiging sign ng answer natin is negative. Then, 8 times 7 is 56. So, make sure na memorize natin ang multiplication table. Negative 21 times negative 12. Since we have the same sign, we have negative 21 and negative 12, ang magiging answer natin dito is a positive number. And then, i-multiply natin yung 21 tsaka 12. We have 12 and 21. We have 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4. 2 and 1 is 2. Then, add natin to. We have 2, 5, and 2. Answer is positive 252. Number 3 is negative 45 times 5. Since magkaiba ang sign nila, ang magiging sign ng answer natin is negative. And then, i-multiply lang natin yung 45 tsaka 5. We have 45. 45 times 5. 5 times 5, we have 25. 5 times 4, we have 20 plus 2 is 22. So, ang answer natin is negative 225. Hopefully, ay tama din ang sagot niya. Let's proceed to number 4. We have 3 times negative 10 times 7. So, paano muna natin yung same sign? Since na multiplication lang naman yan, same lang lahat ng operation. Unahin muna natin yung same sign. We have positive 3 and positive 7. 7 times 3 is 21. So, we have positive 21. Then, i-multiply natin siya sa negative 10. Ibaba lang natin yung 0. Then, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Since magkaiba sila ng sign, magiging sign ng answer natin is negative. So, ang answer natin is negative 210. Let's proceed sa number 5. We have negative 48 times 4 times negative 9. Uunahin ko sana yung same sign na negative 48 and negative 9. Kaso, para mahirapan tayong mag-multiply sa kanya. So, unahin muna natin yung mga 1-digit number lang. We have 4 times negative 9. Since ang sign nila ay magkaiba, magiging answer nito is negative. So, 4 times 10 parang mahirap pa din i-multiply. So, ang gagawin natin, since ang 9 ay malapit sa 10, ang gagawin natin, maglalagay tayo ng 4 na 10. 10, 10, 10, and 10. We have 40. And then, 10 minus 9 is 1. So, ilang 1 yun? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Kaya ang gawin natin is 40 minus 36. So, 4 times 9 is 36. Ganun na siya kadali. Kapag nahirapan kayo mag-multiply, ilapit nyo lang siya sa mga 5 or 10 para mas madaling mag-multiply. Okay, nakuha na natin yung 4 times negative 9. I-multiply na natin ang negative 48 tapos negative 36. Since na same sign lang naman sila, ang magiging answer natin dito is positive. Okay, i-multiply na natin. We have 48 times 36. We have 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 4 is 28. Then 3 times 8 we have 24. 3 times 6 is 12 plus 2, 12, 13, 14. 1, 4. And then i-add natin to. We have 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 4, 6, 7. Then baba natin yung 1. So we have 1,728. As mentioned ko kanina na kapag same sign, ang magiging answer natin is positive. So, final answer natin is positive 1,728. Tapos na tayo. Hopefully, nagets nyo ang lesson na to. And ang next part ng series natin is the division of integers. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And i-click nyo na rin ang bell button para updated kayo sa mga next videos ko. I-comment nyo na rin ang mga question na topic na gusto ko pang i-discuss. Thank you, God bless, and hopefully makapasa kayo sa exam. Bye for now, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!